waterfall. What is it called, Evan?
Stock Gill Falls.
Yeah, whatever. So we're just gonna walk down there.
No, up.
Up? Really? I'm really cold though.
That's good.
So guys, we're just exploring some side roads. Not exploring, but we're just literally walking towards our waterfall. And this is the route Google has given us.
Could you ever imagine living here?
Living here?
In a cottage?
I am a die-hard Londoner. I don't think I can live anywhere apart from London.
It's too quiet for you.
I'm a party person. I can't live.
Oh, there's mountain rescue here, is there?
And you know, for someone like me, if I have my family here, I might be able to live. But even then, I'm not sure. You need family. I've got mental.
Like we're heading towards the source of that waterfall.
Oh, you think so? It's coming from there?
Yeah, all the way up there. We have to go there. Let's go.
Oh.
The boots. Is there what plants inside?
Yep.
That's really neat. Oh, it's gonna get muddy. So Lava, where are we? Before the team comes.
I'm out of breath. But we're going to waterfalls. It's gonna be muddy. Oh my god, it's gonna be really muddy. So that's the public footpath. That's what it says. It was raining, I think, all week. Oh, look at that view.
It's beautiful.
The view is breathtaking.
And the walk is breathtaking, but not in the good way.
My watch keeps telling me
To start workout.
Start
Exercise
the
ring is
workout.
almost
Look.
done.
strength
Yeah.
training.
Yeah, this is exactly why we couldn't bring our little one.
Yeah.
We struggled to bring her pushchair up here.
These people are like over 70s or something.
When you get to that age, are you going to be this active?
No.
What?
Oh,
Finally arrived.
the waterfalls. Look at that. The name of this park is Stock Gill Park.
And this is the Stock Gill Waterfalls. We should have bought our bellies here.
Finally, we made it to the waterfall, guys. I'm so excited. It's beautiful, Ahmed. I've never been this close to a waterfall.
The only one was Bali, remember the...
Oh yeah, you took like a bath in that.
Yeah. I think too cold for a bath.
Yeah. Gonna go to the top of the waterfall. There's a small bridge.
Yeah, the track is...
Overall, guys, I think it's worth coming here. All the track is amazing, the views are amazing, and I would definitely, it's like 30 minutes, so I would definitely recommend you guys to come here and enjoy the view. It's beautiful. Would you come here again? Emma?
Yeah, definitely.
What do you think?
I'll bring my dog here and I'll buy one. Heading home after a nice meal.
Oh, I'm so full. Those fish and chips were really good. I think they were better than Margot's.
Yeah, definitely.
What do you think?
Definitely, much more. The fish tasted more fresh. The chips were not soggy like
Is
Margot.
that fish like freshwater fish? Like
I hope so.
waters?
Yeah, I hope so. And it's sunset now. Back at bonus.
Bonus, yeah.
And just docked up. Yeah, let's have a look.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay,
I like
Mars.
the fact that it's still got like
Oh, that's the heat. Oh, yeah, here's your pizza rabbits.
yeah. That's the one I want. Just take a picture. Look. Where's M? Just look for M.
No, where are you looking
I'll just put it somewhere. I'll buy this for Melton.
at? Yeah, teddy bear.
I got this for Melton.
And these willows.
The family.
Okay, tissue paper.
What shop is this at?
It's decoration. Home
It's like home decor shop.
Beautiful.
Like some amazing pieces here. We got something as well.
Look at that tree.
Yeah. It's like $2,000. And if you look at the price, it's like $2,299. They got pretty cool stuff here. This is a bit Christmassy. And Anna, look at these. They're from Bali. So I got one of these at home, but I got them from Bali.
Quite cheap as well.
Yeah. They got different, like, you can put these outside your house or inside the house if you need.
What do you think of the line?
It's a good selection of sceneries. Huge. If you are like into this kind of stuff,